Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be discussing about Chatsimple, which is an amazing AI chatbot for sales and support. Now before we dive in, there's a link for an extended free trial and exclusive benefits. It's on Chatsimple, so make sure to access that. This is going to be a complete step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow till the end of this video. Thank you so much. Now diving on to Chatsimple, as you can see currently I'm on their dashboard. We have a couple of statistics in here, like for example response usage, conversions, leads. So basically if you are trying to integrate AI into your business, this is not only a reliable platform but also offers ton of amazing features. If you head over to your AI agent section, which is on the second place, and head over to training materials, you can customize the training model that is used on Chatsimple to match up to your business. Like for example, you can upload your own document file in here and it will be trained according to that document. You can also provide it access to URLs, sitemaps and text. So it is an amazing option, or a suite of options. Other than that, we have our train. So if you want to simply train it by providing this type of data, you can do that in here as well. After that, we have our business goals, and you can see currently you can add different type of business goals in here. If you want to add another, simply click on this plus icon and it will be adding a new item. Like for example, if you want to divert attention to your page, you can click on this direct to a page, and so on and so forth. All of these other features are here as well. Similarly, we have qualify leads. So the leads that will be qualified on based on the questions that are going to be asked are going to be featured in this section. Now if you upgrade your plan, you have a couple of other features as well, like for example captured contacts. Here will be the contacts that are retrieved from the users that simply visit. We have conversations, advanced, and here we have some advanced settings, like for example change page prompt, and after that we have any additional emails you wish to send agent notifications and updates to. You can also add some integrations on Chatsimple as well, like for example Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, text messaging. We also have Gmail, HubSpot, an important tool, and Zapier, so you can add some automation as well. So if you want to change the appearance of Chatsimple platform, or yeah, so you can do that as well. I hope this was helpful guys and you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to access Chatsimple and get some exclusive benefits specifically tailored for your need. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.